Welcome in, guys. Welcome to Grace-Filled Zone. Today we're going to be talking about grace, giving ourselves grace. Good morning, good morning. Let me ask you something. Did you fold them clothes last night? While you was being productive yesterday? Doing all that laundry, and then for them clothes to end up in the chair on the bed, I don't know, still in the basket. Did you get to them clothes? Did you fold them? Did you make your bed when you got out of it this morning? If the answer is no, guess what? It's okay. It's okay. Welcome to Tea with me, honey. This is your soft start to your day. This is your plant loving, your list ignoring friend. Yes, I'm here to remind you to give yourself some grace today. If you're here live, I want you to say hi in the chat. If not, shout out to the replay crew. Shout out to the replay crew. I really appreciate you guys. You probably watching while you're doing something else, right? Yep. I used to be a multitasker too. Yes, I used to be very productive. I used to have lists everywhere. Honey, these, everywhere. You too, right? No worries. So this morning I made my tea while I was looking over my list. Then I put that list down on the counter and I came over here to talk to you guys. I had 8 things on my planner yesterday. You want to know how many of them got done? So tell me, what's some of the things that you were supposed to do yesterday that didn't get done that you can give yourself grace for? I'll wait. You gotta make a list for that too. Go ahead, drop it in the chat. I want to see what y'all putting off, what y'all taking off the priority list. I want to know what's not so urgent, that can wait, that doesn't have to be done today. Put it in the comments. Okay. Well, thanks for being honest. Thanks for your honesty. I'm gonna tell you, I went out to my patio, container garden I have out on my deck, and I took one look at them plants and I said, y'all looking real scraggly around here and confused. And I guess I will be confused too, because one day the sun is blazing, the next day it's just kind of pouring down rain. Yeah, I think I will be a little confused too. But it ain't nothing to stress about. It really ain't. It's nice to have a garden outside. But if it don't do what I anticipated or expected it to do, it ain't gonna be the last day. No, honey, I mean, I'll survive if my garden don't survive, because we do have options. It's just nice to have a garden, but if it don't work out, it is what it is. I'll be honest with you, some days I think that garden might do better if I just leave it alone and keep my hands off of it. Because sometimes it's striving and looking better than when I just leave it alone. Tell me in the comments, what part of your life could you survive off just a little less perfection? We always talk about to-do lists, right? But today I want to talk to you more about a not today list. Yeah, you heard me. A not today list. We got our to-do list. That's our norm, right? So let's switch it up a little bit. Let's talk about a not to-do list. On today's not to-do list, my not to-do list, I'm not responding to no WYG text messages. What you doing? Where you at? If I felt like you should know, baby, you would already know. I'm not doing it. Not today. Sometimes I entertain it. I don't like to, though, because I really feel like that. I really feel like that. I'm not pretending to care about anyone's self-inflicted problems today. Not today. It's on the not today list, okay? I'm not opening up any bills and looking at them if I do not intend to pay them today. What? Okay. I'm not supporting people who are not showing up for me today. If you're not showing up for me today, I'm just not doing it today, okay? I typically will support people, whether they support me or not. But on my not today list is that, okay? I'm not doing it today. And those are just a few things that I'm going to share with you publicly that are not on my to-do list today, okay? That's on my not to-do today list. So, friends, I want y'all to repeat after me. If it didn't happen yesterday, it can still not happen today, right? And I'm still gonna be okay, and you still gonna be okay. I think eventually we all gotta kind of learn to prioritize our own priorities over others. Yeah, it's hard to do, but we gotta learn to do that. So what's something that's on your not today list that you could not feel guilty about skipping today? That's the question. Can you skip something and not feel guilty about it? If you were to ask me, let's just pretend you asked me, okay? How do I stop feeling bad about not getting everything done, especially if you're a perfectionist, right? I would answer you by saying, first of all, go drink some water and mind your own business, because that's going to take a load off right there. If you can focus on things that are relative to you for a day and not focus on other people and what they got going on and what they need, honey, that right there is going to take a load off. And second of all, you're not Amazon Prime, baby. Some things just take time. You don't have to do everything today. It's on your list today. Okay. Does that mean you have to do all of it today? I'm just asking. Sometimes we feel guilty about the simplest things. Somebody called you. They waiting for you to call them back. Honey, you missed some phone calls that were not an emergency, that were not urgent. Just somebody calling, probably just to say hi and WYD. They'll live, baby. They'll live. And if you just don't feel like talking, because sometimes you just don't feel like talking to specific people at specific said time that they call, right? You missed them calls, but your peace is still intact. I tell you what, that's a win. That's a win right there. Your peace is still intact. That's a win. Sometimes we think we gotta do the most just to enjoy a little rest, just to enjoy a little peace. But honey, you do not have to earn peace. You do not. You just need to breathe and be. Just relax. Let your body rest. Let your mind rest sometimes. I tell you what, I made this playlist, and it might sound silly. The name of the playlist is Still Worthy. No matter how much I get done today, tomorrow, I'm still worthy of a little peace. Make yourself a little playlist that you can just zone out to. I encourage you, do that. Make your own playlist, yeah, of music, and, you know, artists that help you relax and just enjoy doing whatever it is you enjoy doing. I suggest you do that. Sit down and enjoy it, honey. Sit down and enjoy it. Take a load off, because if you alive, you staying hydrated. You got halfway dressed this morning. You're doing fine. You're doing just fine. Just remember, don't, you know, stagnate yourself. You want to keep it moving. Yes, and enjoy your day. No matter what they say, your worth is not measured by how many of them boxes you can check off. That's not your worth, baby. Don't be programmed like that. Sometimes surviving the day is a whole goal, especially with everything that's going on and the different people we have to deal with. You made it through the day. Okay, cozy people, beautiful people. That's our cozy little moment for the day. I want y'all to remember that that to-do list will wait, but your peace shouldn't have to. If it's an emergency, it wouldn't be on no list, baby. It would have already been done. You are not behind. You're right on time for your own life. That's right, in your own priorities. This has been Tea with me, where grace is the mood for today. Rest is the goal for today. And nothing on your list is more important than your joy. Now go on. I want y'all to be great, or just be still and peaceful. Child, either way is very powerful. Y'all have a great day now.